Just pulled off at the park. This is to show you the sand roads. The ocean breached during the surge, breached this dune here. That's our first line of defense. I've never seen this extent. They were bulldozing off, look at this, it's like driving in Baja. They were actually bulldozing sand off right at the end of my block. It was that thick. Never seen this. Anyway, we're on an adventure, expedition. We're going up to see the Flagler Pier, which I hear was destroyed. It didn't actually. If you look at the last video I did, T-Bone's expedition to the I-3, you'll see a chunk of it. Oh no, that's one I filmed this morning. Oh, that hasn't been published yet, but spoiler alert, yeah, there's big chunks of it by my beach. It's been heading south. Oh, look at this, is pretty clear. This is a beautiful park that goes from just a mile north of my house all the way to here. And then going to another park, and then there's another park. And this is a beautiful place. Oh, I wish I had four-wheel drive. But anyway, this thing weighs 5,000 pounds. Anyway, enjoy the view. I'll film on the way back where the street was. This is A1A. This is the Oceanfront Highway, and it was 2 inches thick of sand. I had a laugh on the way up. There's a guy in a new Jeep, little Jeep. He would not go over 30 miles an hour. I go, dude, you're just a Jeep wannabe? Why did you buy that car if you're not going to use it? They make two-wheel drive Jeeps. I think that's always wrong. I don't know. New condos, just what we need. All right. Oh, there's lots of destruction. The Daytona Pier was halfly wiped out. The restaurant that was on there just, got severely damaged. All the boardwalks and stuff are damaged. We had major storm surge, major winds. And the thing is, it was just sat here, beating us to death. And it did its damage. Clear road. Oh yeah, see, look at the size of the dune. That's what they're trying to store. If we had this, like we used to, look, clear road. The dunes are important. Turtle crossing. All right. Around this corner is a really good restaurant. It's got a little commercial, but oh man, I wonder if they're wiped out. Their outdoor seating is built on piers right over the ocean. They've always got that outside. They've just got great food. It's always packed. And let's see what happened here. Oh no, they're busy. I won't disturb them. Yeah, I bet you they lost the backside. Let's see. Yeah. Here we go. Always wanted a dune buggy. This is Flagler, great little town. Trying to get too big. Now they have spent tens of millions of dollars trying to restore Flagler Dune. First they threw a bunch of rocks there, that didn't work. And they tried replenishing it, keeps on dying. And you'll see up here in a little bit. And look, everyone's freaking out. Come on, guys, it's just sad. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Well, it does go down to 25 eventually, but not now. See, look at this. What causes ripples? That must be the shock absorbers bumping up and down. Alright. I'm just gonna roll. I'm gonna put it in YouTube. 35, not 25. I'll sit back, relax. Oh, why don't you have a beer? Don't mind if I do. Just kidding, I would never drink and drive. Disgusting Trump flags. I'll burn that some night. And I won't. Vandalism is bad. But I've been vandalized by Biden flags. Yeah, this is a lost speech. They need to move A1A into the next block. They just can't sit. You know, it's only going to get worse, right? Yeah, the ocean's rising. I've seen it. I mean, I've actually seen it. In the last 10 years, it's gotten really bad. Really bad. And every Republican voted against the climate change bill that's going to pump in $350 million to try to correct this shit. Oh my God. See, Trump land. See, it's all the rich neo-Nazis. Let's go, Brandon. Yeah, Brandon's doing a great job. Good. It's like my neighborhood. All right. Well, this is where they restored it. See that they put these deep drains, like up to the left. You see the bumper there. They did drain back into the ocean, and it's not too sandy. They curved it a little bit. Maybe it worked, because the other side looks pretty sand-free. But it's just a temporary fix. I don't think the ocean's ever going to go down. Alright. La 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 la. There's got to be a morning after. This is it. Alright, it's nice leisure. Oh look, I might stop there for a snack. Well, it's packed. I wanted to get out. Wow. You must have power. Oh, roof repair. You can see, if you look to the right, oh, I guess you can't. Maybe you can look left up over the right, how close the ocean is to this dune here. I mean, it's just smashing it. Always does. This was a great old village on the East Coast, you know, with a trendy, one of the old-timey places. Very few people lived, had great little trendy restaurants, good food. And now the rich people moved in. Typical, wow, look at that wave. I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing. Obviously you are, but I don't know if you can see off to the right. Bicycle's beating me. Oh, they closed that road. That's good to know. I bet you everybody's coming out here to see the pier. Well, it looks okay to me. I've lost some pillars. They said it was washed away. Now there's a big hunk right there. Unguarded beach. Ooh, excuse me. Baloney. Piers destroyed. I tell you, they overhype everything here. Makes for good news commentary. Well, see, there shouldn't be any sand here if the Dune project worked. Lots of people walking around with cameras. Who's that parking? Oh, handicapped. I wish they would include mentally handicapped. Ooh, some guy scored. Parking lot. That's okay. I can walk a block. Still got my legs. I don't have to. This is a good find. Well, I want to get closer. Now I'm greedy, right? Oh yeah, a lot of people. Gawkers. I'm gonna be one of them. Oh, look at this guy's got his metal detector. Bunch of pirate ships I crashed off here by my house. All you need is one gold doubloon or pieces of eight of the thing. This treasure chest full of them. Alright, let's see how greedy I can be. There's a pier. It looks still standing. I mean, the roof has been rebuilt a bunch of times. I'm sure that's up to code. Oh, they changed the name. Funk Pelican. Oh, they changed owners. Alrighty. Ah, that guy got my spot. Alright. There's got to be another spot. There's a spot, should go down there. I'm gonna take a left here. Now I got the arrow. Alright, I'll cut off a little drink. Of course, they're gonna build a huge condo. See this piece of land to the right of me. Other spot. Yay! Okay, let's see how destroyed this pier is. Alright. Disconnect. Let's go. Here, I'll show you where they're going to build a giant, well, it's only going to be 3 stories high, condo and complex. And the last piece of earth, someone paid a lot of money for that. A lot of money for that. All right, I'll stop now.